Cambridge Dictionary don add more than 6,000 fresh words this year. Among them na internet slang like Skibidi and Tradwife. Rescue team for Pakistan still dey find over 150 people wey miss after heavy rain cause landslide and flood wey scatter area for Friday. Na small be dat for today tori. Dis na PidginToriGlobal, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter the gist proper. Abeg make you like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Make you still share with your friends, make dem too sabi wetin dey happen for world. Hurricane Erin don grow strong reach category 4 level and e dey bring dangerous surf and rip currents wey fit worry the eastern coast of United States. Rain from the storm don already dey fall for southeast Bahamas and Turks and Caicos Island, wey don even issue tropical storm warning. Erin no go land for the islands, but dem fit see rain reach 6 inches, about 15 cm. Dis Erin na di first hurricane for 2025 Atlantic season. E don first blast reach category 5 on Saturday before e calm small, but now e don regain power again. For Puerto Rico, more than 150,000 people lose light as strong winds scatter electricity poles, but di energy company LUMA don do emergency repair wey restore light give 95% of customers. US National Hurricane Center (NHC) tok say Erin go pass east of southeast Bahamas today, then e go move go between Bermuda and US East Coast by midweek. Dem still warn say di storm go remain large and dangerous through dis period. Bahamas Disaster Risk Management Authority don tell pipo make dem sabi where shelters dey and plan backup in case first shelter full, because dis kain storm fit change movement anytime. For North Pakistan, heavy rain on Friday 15 August turn wetin be fine village wey dem dey call Bishnoi to total disaster. River wey dey flow gently before suddenly overflow, carry big stone and sand come, scatter buildings and wipe whole village. Rescue people and locals try find bodies under rocks and concrete with small hand tools because heavy machine no dey reach there. One man talk say every stone get house under am. The flood kill at least 314 people and injure 156 across Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. Na wetin Provincial Disaster Management Authority (PDMA) confirm. Bona district, where Bishnoi dey, suffer pass with 217 people wey lost their life. People also talk say plenty lives lost inside one house wey dem dey prepare for wedding. For Bishnoi, almost half of the 80 to 90 houses don finish completely and the rest, people no fit live inside again. Na so water without mercy turn happy community to mourning ground. US trade adviser don blast India say the way dem dey depend on Russian crude oil dey opportunistic and e dey scatter world effort to cut Putin war money. India be second biggest buyer after China and more than 30% of their fuel dey come from Moscow. Earlier this month, President Donald Trump don slam 50% tariffs on Indian goods because of the matter, wey don make US-India relation bend small. But for Independence Day speech, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stand gidigba say e no go allow any policy wey go spoil farmers' side. According to am, India no go ever compromise when e reach to protect farmers. Donald Trump don talk say Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky fit end the war with Russia immediately if e gree. Trump drop the talk for im Truth Social on Sunday, remind people say the wahala start since Obama time wey Russia carry Crimea without gunshot, and say Ukraine no suppose enter NATO. But Zelensky quickly reply say any concession wey Ukraine don give Russia before, like Crimea matter, only ginger Vladimir Putin to start more fight. The talk land just as Zelensky dey waka go Washington DC with some European leaders wey dey worry say Trump fit push deal wey go favour Russia pass. Today, White House go full ground as Donald Trump welcome Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky plus UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer and other European leaders. The leaders gathered to show strong support for Ukraine and find way to end the war. Before the meeting, Zelensky tok say Vladimir Putin wan humiliate diplomatic efforts as Russia strike kill 10 people across Ukraine. But on Sunday, Trump special envoy claim say Putin don gree for robust security guarantee for Ukraine, like NATO-style defense arrangement. Kremlin never tok anything on top dis matter. As Trump dey host Volodymyr Zelensky plus leaders from UK, France, Germany, Italy, Finland, EU and NATO for White House today, na different reason make dem come together. Trump enter campaign with promise say e go end the war first day for office, but 6 months later, e still dey find solution. After im meeting with Putin for Alaska, e don change mouth. E no dey push sanctions again. Instead, e dey press Zelensky make e drop NATO dream and give up Crimea wey Russia collect since 2014. Trump calm tok say US go still give Europe some security guarantees, but nobody sabi wetin dat one mean exactly. Europe dey watch to see if US really ready to protect Ukraine future. And the last one for today, Cambridge Dictionary don add more than 6,000 fresh words this year, and among them na internet slang like Skibidi and Tradwife. Skibidi, wey first come from viral YouTube animation, mean nonsense or e fit still mean cool or bad, depend on how person use am. Example, which kind skibidi you dey do? Tradwife na short way to call traditional wife, married woman wey dey cook, clean and still dey showcase her lifestyle for social media. According to Colin McIntosh, wey be lexical program manager, internet culture dey change English language fast and dictionary wan dey capture am sharp so that people fit sabi the new trend. Other new entries also cover tech, remote work and online culture. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Godfrey dey report for PidginToriGlobal. Una do well.